Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video I'm going to be giving you my review of this little guy, or I guess technically little girl, because this is Zolo's Halo Bluetooth speaker. Zolo is a, I guess, daughter company of Anker, so if you guys remember this video I did up here on the Power Cord Plus, you'll know who I'm talking about. And this is an Amazon ALEXA enabled Bluetooth Wi-Fi speaker. This has got a lot going for it, and it's a lot smaller than a can of Coke. So, very impressive small package, and I'm gonna go through it all with you guys right here. So let's get it plugged in. Light turns on. You get this lovely sound, and eventually ALEXA will greet you.
Hello.
Hello. And it's going to take a couple seconds to figure itself out, and then it will tell you that your Zolo Halo is ready.
Your Zolo Halo is ready.
Just like that. Now there's a lot of things you can do with this, like, tell me a joke.
Why did Poison Ivy go to the hair salon? To touch up her roots.
That's a pretty good one. Tell me a computer joke.
Where do zombies host their websites? On the World Wide Walking Dead.
I take that back. I am thoroughly disappointed by that one. But you get the idea. It's an Amazon Echo. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it. What is my subscriber count?
The real-time subscriber count for channel Technology and Toys is 236. That is 55 more than last time you checked.
So, you know, it's your normal ALEXA. You can do all your normal home automation stuff, like turn off overhead lamp.
Okay.
Turn off floor lamp.
Okay.
Turn off desk lamp.
Okay.
And everything turns off. Turn on desk lamp.
Okay.
Turn on overhead lamp.
Okay.
Turn on floor lamp.
Okay.
Now this is also a Bluetooth speaker, and it should already be paired to my phone.
Bluetooth connected.
Nice. And then just for an audio test, let me find some Happy Life. And we'll skip to the good part. So it's a very versatile speaker. You got your ALEXA functionality and all the skills and everything that you can do with that. You have your Bluetooth speaker part of this, so you can play from pretty much anywhere on anything. Now the part of this that I love the most that I didn't initially know about is this thing has a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Now I don't know if this is an Echo thing in general or if it's just the Zolo or whatever. What this will do is there's an option in the app to create a Wi-Fi hotspot, and it will take the network connection from your router, which you have to set up to enable this. If you watched my setup video, it was quite the struggle, but that's because I had things to do and I was impatient. It will take the signal coming into it, it will adapt it to a different name and a different password and spit it out for you to connect to, and it will just take whatever data is going into it and spit it out, so that way you can connect to that network. And I use this a lot. Like, I cannot stress how much I use this. All of my Windows PCs are connected to this because it's just a pain in the ass to set up without this and other humans and not knowing passwords, and it's just so much easier. My recommendation on this is buy it. It is $20. I've seen it with an Amazon coupon for, I think, $4 off, so 16 bucks for Bluetooth speaker, Amazon Echo, Wi-Fi, hotspot, router, modem, everything. Yeah, buy this. 100% buy this. Buy 2 of them. Buy 4 of them even, because you can use the app to string them all together and do stereo pairing. Buy it. Just do it. Just do it! I'll leave this link down below in the description for you guys to check out. You guys can obviously tell how enthusiastic I am about this. I'm not getting paid. I'm not sponsored. I just really enjoy this, especially for the price, because Amazon Echoes cost 50 bucks, although they do frequently go on sale. This is $30 cheaper, and it does so much. This is a no-brainer. I cannot stress this to you guys enough. This is one of the best purchases I've ever made. This is awesome. So it'll be linked in the description below for you guys to check out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, tell me how much do you use ALEXA, or are you more of a Google Assistant person? Let me know down below in the comments. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.